Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to install the essential server component. Run the next command to add the official PHP repository by ondrej. Update the system package list so that it recognizes the new PHP repository. Install PHP with the following command. Access the mariadb shell with the next command. Next, use the following command to create a database user for Pterodactyl. Now we need to install Composer and a PHP dependencies manager that Pterodactyl uses to install it requires packages. You need to run the following command. Use the following commands to create a new directory for the Pterodactyl panel. Now download the latest version from GitHub with the next command. Also extract it and set the proper permission on the storage and cache directory. Use the following command to install all required PHP dependencies for the panel. Now we create a copy of the environment configuration file and generate a unique application key for security. Now we need to edit the configuration file. Open the configuration file and edit the following lines according to your setup. Use this file to define your domain, database connection details and cache archives. Use the following command to create the database tables required by Pterodactyl and insert the file data into them. Now use the following command to create an administrator user account for accessing the Pterodactyl panel. Use the following command to change the ownership of the panel files so that the web server can access them. Now let's configure the nginx file. Create a new nginx configuration file for Pterodactyl and pass the following configuration inside it. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Now enable the site and restart the nginx by running the following commands. Create the que worker service with the next command and pass this content into the file. Now enable and start it with the next command. Now you can open your web browser and access it by going into your domain name or IP address. Now you can start work with Pterodactyl control panel. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.